Hello Leute, welcome back to Learn German with Ease. In the previous session, we discussed on how to use the preposition zu to describe a motion or movement in German. In today's session, we will be focusing on the preposition in and how to use in to represent a movement. For that, let us look at some examples just like in the previous case. Initially, I go to the library. Library in German is Bibliothek. So, in order to translate that to German, you can simply use the preposition zu and say Ich gehe zur Bibliothek or Ich gehe zur Bibliothek. But we are going to be focusing on the preposition in and let's see how that is done. So, the first step again, instead of using zu, just use in. Ich gehe in Bibliothek. Let us see another example. I go to movies. Movies in German is Kino. So I go to movies is Ich gehe in Kino. I go to railway station is Ich gehe in Bahnhof. Now, just like the previous case, this is not complete. We have to add a finishing touch. We have to add the. I go to the bibliothek, I go to the railway station and so on. How do you use that? Unlike the previous case with zu, in is a little bit different. Zu always took dative case. The noun that preceded zu was a dative noun. When representing a movement from one location to another, in takes accusative case always. What does this mean? This means that the noun that comes after in takes accusative. In other words, die Bibliothek does not change and remains as die Bibliothek because there is no difference between a feminine noun in nominative and accusative cases. Das Kino will remain as das Kino because there is no change for neutral. But der Bahnhof will change into den Bahnhof. This is one change that has to be noticed. Coming back to the examples, how do you say I go to the library? You say Ich gehe in die Bibliothek. I go to the movies. Ich gehe in das Kino. Or to shorten in das, you say it as ins. Ich gehe ins Kino. I go to the railway station. Ich gehe in den Bahnhof. This is basically how you use in, the preposition in, to describe motion in German. Another question, where should I use in and where should I use zu? In most of the cases, you can use them interchangeably. But still, there is a small grammatical difference between in and zu. What is this? When the preposition in is used, it means that the person or the object that is moving goes inside of something. For example, when I say Ich gehe in die Bibliothek, it means that the person who heard the sentence understood that I went inside the library. When I say Ich gehe zur Bibliothek, then the person hearing this would know that I went to the library, but it can be anywhere near the library. I need not necessarily be inside the library. One thing to note especially is that you cannot use the preposition in to represent movement to some open place. For example, I go to the beach. You cannot say Ich gehe in den Strand. That is wrong because you are not going inside the beach. So to summarize up, there are two prepositions that can be used to represent motion from one place to another and they are in and zu. In can be used only if the motion takes place inside of something and zu can be used in most of the places. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Until the next video, bye.